Right, so hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix updates couldn't be completed and it's undoing the changes error. So this is a somewhat common error in Windows 11 and 10. So let's try to fix it. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go into your search bar and search for services right there. Click on enter. Okay, so once services opens, you're going to search for something called background intelligent transfer service. Double click on that. Okay, and then you're going to set it to automatic. Okay, if it's running right here, you're going to stop it and start. Currently it's stopped on our side, so you're just going to start it. Okay, so once it's running, just click on apply. Okay, and then you're going to go down to Windows Update. Search for Windows Update. It should be somewhere here, right there. Double click on it. Okay, as you can see, it says start, stopped. Just click on automatic, just click on start. Okay, again, if it says running for you when you double click it, just stop it again and start it, just to cycle through it. Okay, do it same for the background, and then click on apply. Okay, close this, refresh, and now you can go and try to run updates. If it still doesn't work, okay, we can just run these two commands in our command prompt. Do note to open command prompt as an administrator. Okay, if you open it as a user, it will not work. Okay, make sure system32 is written here, and then you can copy paste the commands one by one, and these commands will be given in the description below. So once you've copy pasted the commands, we're just going to restart the system, and you can try to restart the updates. Alright guys, so you can see that Windows Resource Protection found corrupted files and it successfully repaired them, which is a great thing that Windows did. So now what you're going to do is you're going to close out of this and restart your computer. So once your computer has been restarted, you can go ahead and check for stability issues. So that's all for today's video guys. I hope it helped you, and yeah, thanks for watching folks.